Hello, welcome to the second video. Remember, this is the second of 5 videos for English for daily conversation, talk like a pro. Remember, you can subscribe and get a good content video every week, and of course, download completely for free a PDF with all the sentences it needs and all the videos. So now it's time to catch up. Remember, we're at an international business meeting or an international conference. We have met people we hadn't met for a long time, or we have met for the first time, and now it's time to catch up. To catch up means to get the contact back, to get to know what the people have been doing, right? To get updated. So here we have some very nice questions. For example, how are things going? How's everything going? These are probably the simplest and the most common, right? But look at this. What have I missed? Tell me all about it. Fill me in. Fill me in is a very idiomatic expression. So imagine you have like a very big gap of information concerning this person, and you want the person to fill it in with the information you don't have, right? So tell me all about it. Fill me in, right? So look at this other question. What have you been up to? What have you been doing during all this time, right? This sentence is also very nice, just to show that you want to continue the conversation further on. We've got a lot to catch up on. It's like, oh my God, a lot has been going on this time. So we've got a lot to catch up on. We have a lot to get updated with. A very nice way to finish the conversation here is to say something like, there's so much to say about it, but I can't go into it now. We have to meet again, right? So here's my number or my email, and give me a call or text me whenever suits you best. And in this way, you tell the other person that you will continue the conversation in another moment. Okay? Are you ready for next? We have another 3 videos waiting for you. Come on, let's go.